Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Robert, or near Hammond, moving southwest at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Ponchatoula, Albany, Springfield, Robert, Talbany, and Killian. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Livingston and Tangipahoa. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm.
There it is. The first emergency alert on the EH-55VP.